What's happening in the Hathras probe? Days after more than 120 people were killed in a stampede, the absconding self-proclaimed godman Bhole Baba, also known as Narayan Rai, at whose satsang this mishap happened, has finally broken the silence on this tragedy. Now, while expressing his grief over the incident, the Baba said that those who created the chaos would not be spared and urged everyone to keep faith in the administration. But interestingly, he has tucked his own onus. Listen in.
हम 2 जुलाई की घटना के बाद बहुत ही व्यथित हैं। प्रभु हमें बस संगत को इस दुख की घड़ी से उबरने की शक्ति दें। सभी शासन एवं प्रशासन पर भरोसा बनाए रखें। हमें विश्वास है जो भी उपद्रवकारी हैं वो बख्शे नहीं जाएंगे।
Okay, we are getting a live press conference by the Uttar Pradesh police. Let's listen in to what they're saying.
पूछताछ करी जाएगी और जो भी साक्ष्य संकलन है, जो भी ट्रस्ट की फंडिंग हो रही है, जो भी इनकी रसीदें हैं, जितने भी बैंक खाते हैं, सबके बारे में गहनता से जांच कर जो भी दोषी है उनके खिलाफ कार्रवाई की जाएगी। इनको पीसीआर पे लेके जो भी आगे ये बताएंगे उसमें आगे कार्रवाई की।
सर, जब घटना हुई तो उसके बाद क्या मधुकर ने बाबा को फोन करके 11 मिनट बात की?
अभी इसके बारे में इनको पीसीआर लेके तब बातचीत होगी। इनके सीडीआर का खंगाले जा रहे हैं, इनकी जो भी आईपीडीआर है, सीडीआर से उनको खंगाला जा रहा है और उसके बाद जो भी
बाबा का भी
अभी इनकी लोकेशन ट्रेस कर रही है। हमारी सर्विलेंस टीम लगी हुई है। जो भी इनके कॉल डेटा रिकॉर्ड्स हैं उनको खंगाला जा रहा है, वो विवेचना के पार्ट है।
सर, एक सवाल और, बोलते हैं कहीं बीमार थे, क्या कुछ मेडिकल हिस्ट्री निकल के आई है सामने?
अभी तक इनको गिरफ्तार करा गया, इनको कहीं अस्पताल से गिरफ्तार नहीं करा गया, दिल्ली में इनको नजर।
Let me go across to my colleague Tejshri, who's joining us live at this point. Tejshri, we are listening into those latest updates coming in from the Uttar Pradesh Special Investigating Teams in probe. But you have been also doing your own research and ground reports on what's been happening on the ground in Hathras ever since this tragedy unfolded. The big question is, if this godman can be traced by the news agency ANI and can give a soundbite to the media, why has he not been confronted by the cops? Why has he not been questioned by the local police so far?
See, as of now, it was very surprising because since so many days it was said that this self-styled godman was underground, and suddenly he comes out just after a day when this particular Dev Prasad Madhukar, who is the chief sevadar, he was arrested, and then he comes out and says that no accused will be spared, and then gives a bite to the agency, as you rightly mentioned. And the question remains the same, that why there is no FIR filed on him, why there is no name mentioned of this particular self-styled godman Suraj Pal in the FIR. That's the big question. And in fact, Times Now also spoke to several police officers, in fact, where they also said, there were our sources who said that his name should have been there, but his name is not there. Opposition is also raising all these questions as to why Suraj Pal names is not there. Now, is this a larger conspiracy or maybe some political connection so as to they are trying to hide his name? Because if Chief Sevadar can be arrested, if Chief Sevadar can be made as a prime accused, then why not the person who was the main head of that particular head of that particular event? He was the chief of that event, so he should be questioned. But we'll have to see that how the investigation unfolds, because as of now the location of Suraj Pal is said to be in Mainpuri. Back to you.
All right, Tejshri, thanks a lot for joining us with those details. We've got more detail, we've got more politics happening over this extremely tragic incident here, because Congress Neta Udit Raj has now blamed the victims for the stampede horror. It's a shocking piece of victim blaming coming in from Udit Raj, who says that incidents like these keep happening because people's superstition had led to the Satsang stampede. Udit Raj has further said that the government should educate people as to not to go into blind faith. Now remember, this is in lines with what Rajya Sabha leader of opposition from the Congress party, Mallikarjun Kharge, had also said, that there should be a law to try and cut down on blind faith in godmen, or at least men pretending to be godmen.